Hey guys, how's it going? KW from KW Hotel Tours. We're in Ocean City at the Cambria Hotels Bayfront. Cambria Hotel Bayfront, Ocean City, Maryland. If you're not familiar with Cambria Hotels, they are part of the Choice Hotels, which is part of Quality Inn and Comfort Inn. And this room is facing the bay, and we've got 2 queen beds. So let's do a room tour. Right here is our door, evaluation plan, people cover, extra lock, deadbolt, good. Take this card out, it shuts off the lights after a minute to save some power. Bathroom's occupied as usual. Bathroom is nice and updated, nice shower. Some hooks, a mirror, and something to put your keys. We got 2 queen beds. Here's a thermostat. We have central heat and AC in here. Here's a Samsung, probably a 43 inch, 50 maybe, 4K TV, which is 4K. We got our desk, nightstand, USBs, more outlets, love it. Gets us 4:28 in the morning. Here's the address if you want to stay here at this hotel. Room 403. Beds feel nice, looks clean, linens feel great. This is a newer hotel. This is a newer property. We got these queen beds. Feel like memory foam. Right here is our little wet bar area. What's up, guys? Ice bucket. Keurig. Coffee. Microwave. And mini fridge, all clean. Working order. Slide this. We got a closet, iron board, extra lens for a pull-out sofa, which is right behind me. Yes, we do have a pull-out sofa here. This is actually a nice size room. It's a big room, so you can sleep some people in the queen size beds, and this folds out. You can probably sleep another 2 people if you needed to. Got a table, got some artwork. Okay. Here is the balcony. Balcony is facing the bay, and as you can see the seagulls right there. Here is the outdoor pool for a hotel, which is obviously closed. This hotel does have an indoor pool and hot tub, which is open. Well, open 9 to 10. So that's open during the COVID, which I like. They have a restaurant and bar downstairs. Yeah, like I said, this is a newer property. There is a nice big room. So far, I haven't found any maintenance issues or complaints. We just checked in here, and the only thing that you did miss, someone left their Four Loko. That was sitting out here on the porch. Other than that, everything seems to be good and clean. These people have chairs, but we don't. But minor points, I guess. Not that big of a deal. So we'll be heading to indoor pool and hot tub tomorrow. Well, yeah, this is pretty nice. Let's get another pan of the room. Yeah, like I said, the bathroom is nice and updated. Nice shower, lit up mirror, the normal stuff. Yeah. So if you're looking to stay at a newer hotel in Ocean City on the bay, and one more thing. There's a Route 50 bridge right there. So you're literally right next to a Route 50 bridge that goes into Ocean City. So you're farther down in Ocean City, by the way. But yeah, if you're looking for a nice, I believe that conference center's here too. Anyway, if you're looking for a nice, clean, comfortable place to stay on Bayfront, Ocean City, Cambria, Bayfront Hotel could be your place. If you guys like what you see in these videos, please like and share and subscribe. It'll be appreciated. With that being said, KW out.